In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front wipers on your Subaru Outback. These will be located on the windshield. Let's get started. Get your new wiper, pull the plastic pieces off of either end. We're going to put this right in front of us. Pull the wiper arm up. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get under this tab, pop it up. If you pinch the two sides, it'll come off easier. With the cap open, pull straight down on the wiper. Be careful, this may be pretty stuck. Best way to do this is brace yourself on the arm and pull straight down. Try to hold the bottom of the wiper, so if it lets go super hard, you don't crack your windshield. Be very careful with this wiper arm. It's on a spring. It will spring down and can crack the glass. Install the new wiper arm. Get it clicked into place. This style is slightly different. When we twist it up, there will be a button in the back that will release a pin, and then you can remove it. There will be no front cap. Once you have it locked into place, return it to the glass, and repeat the same thing for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.